The AriesX manual triple pulley is an easy to use permanent setup for your studios. Whether you're shooting fashion, videos, or just creating content, with this setup, switching between your backdrops is a breeze. In this video, I'll show you a step-by-step guide how to set up the AriesX manual triple pulley system. It'll make your life so much easier and save you a lot of time and effort in every shoot. Let's get started. This is the AriesX manual triple pulley system. It does weigh a little bit, but that's because it's packed with a lot of goodies. Let's check them out. It has 3 sets of pulley clamps for each backdrop roll. It has 2 pulley brackets that go on the wall and help support your manual pulley system. It has 3 chains with counterweights that help you control and easily open and close the backdrops. We've also added the bolts you need to fix the mounts on the wall. Make sure you have all of these components before getting started. If you're missing something in your package, check again or contact your supplier. Before you install, pick a spot where your backdrop system will be mounted. You can choose either the wall or the ceiling depending on your space. Remember, depending on the size of paper backdrops you wish to mount, they can weigh anywhere between 4 to 6 kgs. So make sure whatever surface you mount it on is sturdy enough to sustain that weight. So that's 6 kilos into 3 or 4 kilos into 3. Take one of the pulley brackets and place it on the wall. Then you need to measure the distance between the 2 brackets. If you plan to use multiple sizes of backdrops, it is better to measure for the larger width. Because if you ever need to use a smaller backdrop, you can always use a crossbar and then place the smaller backdrop on the crossbar. To make sure your backdrop rolls fit perfectly, you could leave an inch or less on either side of the bracket. This gives you a space to adjust in case your backdrop roll core is more than 9 feet. Mark the space on the wall where your bracket will go. Then drill the holes and make sure they're secure. Once the bracket is fixed securely to the wall, take your pulley clamp and slide it into the bracket like this. It should get secured very easily and be held in place. Once they're securely placed, these clamps can be expanded into the paper core for a secure and tight fit. Now let's talk about the chains. They come in 3 different colors to help you differentiate between them so that you know which color is for which backdrop, the first, the second or the third. These chains are made so that they can easily be snapped together like this and then just as easily be taken apart. This makes it easy for you to adjust the length of the chain as per as your space. The chain also comes with a counterweight that helps you balance the backdrop and make sure that it doesn't unroll on its own. The chain goes through the counterweight like this. And there you have it. Your triple manual pulley background support system is set up and ready to go. With this system, you can easily switch between backdrops without ever having to take them down. Perfect for the studio shots when time is of the difference. However, if you plan to keep your backdrops hanging on the manual pulley system for long periods of time, we would suggest using a manual pulley crossbar to support the weight and prevent any sags due to gravity. The links for all the products mentioned in this video can be found in the description below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more videos about photography and videography tips. And don't forget to hit that notification bell icon for more updates from us. Thanks for watching and happy shooting.